TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We are back with another healthcare non-phone work from home job lead for you. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to both their Glassdoor page and the job page where you can put those applications in are always in the YouTube description box below. And just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So please make sure you're doing your own research on the company before giving your personal information out to anybody. But today's job lead is from the healthcare company Sarnova. Now they have a 3.7 star rating on Glassdoor. They are hiring a customer experience specialist and paying anywhere from $21.60 an hour all the way up to $28 an hour. Now this is non-phone customer support. We will get to that in just a minute. But this is for my United States folks only. Now, Sarnova is a leading specialty distributor of healthcare products in emergency medical services. They do things like respirators and all of that. They are looking for somebody to track and follow up on matters submitted online through the customer experience online portal and return credit refunds through the portal as well. You'll manage the customer service recovery program for awarding purchase discounts to customers. You'll deploy and manage daily IVR and quarterly, annually, and ad hoc customer surveys. So when they take those automated surveys, you will be managing the results of those. You'll review and code customer comments by their pain points, like is this a billing and invoice issue? Is this a sales issue? Is this shipping and delivery of the products issue? You're going to be doing all of the online portals, looking at the issues and categorizing them. You'll generate monthly Excel data files, updating reports such as discount program productivity reports to the finance department. And then you're going to act as an internal consultant, bringing those issues and customer pain points that you have categorized to the senior managers and be that voice of the customer within the company. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just someone who has great planning and organizational skills, someone who has working experience with order fulfillment processes or care centers. Of course, you have to have basic understanding of Microsoft Office, all the things like Word, Excel, Outlook. You need to have problem-solving skills, the ability to assess a situation, identify the issue, and solve it. You've got to be self-motivated and have strong communication skills and great attention to detail. Now, it does say all the way down here in fine print, they do include a benefit package that includes the standards like health insurance, 401k, all the things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.